Hi everyone, welcome to Roger Journal. My name is Alice. I'm so happy to have you back in my Junk Journal with Me video. In this journaling session, I'm going to journal with the first spring issue of Daphne's diary, which was full of soft colors and beautiful florals. So you will see I took a lot of images and pages from this issue. So I cut out all the elements that I liked in this issue and did a fussy cutting. So for today's journaling, I decided to work on this page. It is a vintage ephemera paper that I printed. It had a green background, so I thought it'd be perfect for spring journaling. So I'm figuring out the layout. I ended up adding a lot of fussy cut elements on this page. They are from a calendar. Each square is a month, so I picked March, April, and May to place them next to a title. Then I pulled out my Flea Market Printable. I wanted to add a vintage linen in the background. And I chose this doily for the corner. And now I'm looking for another something to add that has embroidery. And this tag was perfect if I make the botanical flower piece a pocket. Before I glue them all, I wanted to mute the background color a little bit and add some artistic texture. So I pulled out gesso and applied with a plastic card. I dried it with a heat tool, but I wanted to make some places more opaque, so I added a little bit of white ink with a brush. I kept the paper behind the pages to absorb any more humidity left. I'm cutting the doily to the size and started to glue the pieces. Before I tuck in the tag, I wanted to add some cotton thread. So I picked this warm olive green and actually I doubled the thread. And now I'm adding butterflies. And I started journaling. First, I started with the tag, and then I wasn't sure I was gonna write on the left page, so I started with the right page. But later, I decided to write on the left page too. I love how it looks after the blank spaces are filled with handwriting. But my writing on the right page was not completely dry yet because I wrote on gesso. So you can see it was a little bit smudged. But it's okay with me, I learned a new thing. So this is how today's journaling has done. I love that spring is fully going on this page. It is full of yellow and green. I'm really happy with it. I hope you enjoy this journaling process. If you want to know more details on Flea Market Printable, check it in my Etsy shop. There's a link to it below in the comment and description box. So I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.